Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a seriously fascinating and super viral blueprint for making money online. We're looking at a strategy that actually promises to take you from a complete ground zero beginner to a viral content creator using a very specific minimalist methodology. So, we have to ask, is it too good to be true, or is it a stroke of genius? Let's break down this roadmap step by step and find out.
All right, let's dive straight into section 1, the secret AI trick. To immediately grab your attention, the strategy kicks off with a pretty bold command. Quote, "Stop scrolling. This is a secret AI trick that nobody is telling you." I mean, it instantly creates this huge sense of urgency and exclusivity, right? Like you're getting your hands on hidden knowledge. And the absolute kicker here? The source explicitly states that you can make money online using it, even if you are a total beginner. Right out of the gate, it establishes an incredibly low barrier to entry just to reel you in.
Now, the source quickly pivots from that massive promise with a simple follow-up. Let me show you how it works. So how exactly does it? Like, what are the actual tangible mechanics of this beginner-friendly strategy? Let's take a look under the hood at the foundation of this content creation process.
Which brings us to section 2, ideation and scripting.
Okay, so here is the 30,000-foot view of the entire blueprint. The source literally distills a whole business model into just 4 quick steps. Step 1, ask ChatGPT for trends. Step 2, turn that idea into a script. Step 3, create a video with Canva or CapCut. And step 4, upload it to YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Boom, that's the whole shebang. It takes what is typically a super complex content production pipeline and just shrinks it down to a handful of really targeted clicks. Let's drill down into the first half of that equation. Step 1 is simply to open up ChatGPT and ask it for trending content ideas. Then, step 2 is to just pick one of those ideas and let the AI write the script for you. The crucial takeaway here is that all the heavy lifting, figuring out what's popular and actually writing the words, is totally outsourced. It completely removes the fear of the blank page.
Moving right along to section 3, video creation and distribution. For the actual creation part, the instructions stay incredibly brief. The source explicitly names tools like Canva or CapCut to create a quote-unquote simple video. And for distribution, upload it on YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. This brilliantly illustrates the core strategy. There's no demand for long-form, highly produced cinematic content here. It strictly targets short, easily digestible, vertical media using free tools anyone can access right from their phone. And that leads us to section 4, the consistency catch. The underlying philosophy of this entire blueprint is pretty bold. Quote, "That's it. No skills, no experience, just consistency." They're basically zeroing out the need for any prior expertise. Because the AI is doing all the thinking and accessible apps handle the editing, it argues that your only actual requirement for success is just relentless repetition of those 4 steps. Following that, the source hits you with a pretty stark dichotomy. Most people ignore this, but smart people start early. You see what they're doing there? It cleanly divides the audience into 2 camps. You are either part of the most people who just scroll past, or you belong to the smart people who actually take action. It's a textbook FOMO tactic, fear of missing out, designed to compel you to act immediately by appealing to your desire to be ahead of the curve. Which brings us perfectly to the final call to action. Don't wait, start today. Like this video, subscribe, and follow for more AI money tips. Now, you've got to appreciate the brilliant irony here. This explainer literally just taught you a blueprint for capturing attention, and then it ends by instantly capturing yours. It asks for the exact same likes and follows that fuel the very system it was just describing. So we've traced this viral blueprint from its crazy hook through its AI-driven process, all the way down to its clever engagement loop. It presents a system where the technical barrier to entry is effectively zero, handing everything off to everyday tools. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought. If the barrier truly is at zero, according to this blueprint, are you ready to start creating, or will you just keep scrolling? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.